When your family is sick, you want all the information you can get. And we know getting to the doctor isn't always easy. That's why Ochsner Anywhere Care is now offering 24/7 on-demand medical exams with the Ochsner Anywhere Care Health Kit, powered by TytoCare. With this new solution, you can now capture examination data from home using the Ochsner Anywhere Care Health Kit and send it to the Ochsner Anywhere Care app for review by your physician during a telehealth session. By adding physical exam data to your Ochsner Anywhere Care session, your doctor can more confidently diagnose and treat many of the most common conditions, such as ear infections, colds, sore throats, fever, coughs, congestion, and rashes. The system has an easy-to-use touchscreen that guides you through the examination process and special adapters for examining the heart, lungs, ears, throat, skin, and taking body temperature. Let's see how it works. Michael's woken up with dizziness, a cough, and a fever. His mother, Caroline, starts an exam using the Ochsner Anywhere Care Health Kit. First, she takes an image of his throat using the tongue depressor. Next, she records Michael's lung sound using the stethoscope. Now she records a video of his eardrums using the otoscope. Built-in guidance helps Michael's mom guide the device safely into her son's ear canal and lets her know when the eardrum image has been captured. Using her smartphone and the Tyto app, she sends the exam data to the Ochsner Anywhere Care app, so it's available for her doctor to review during a telehealth session. She then launches her Ochsner Anywhere Care app to begin a telehealth visit for Michael. The app asks her which doctor she'd like to see and which exams she'd like to share with the doctor. She then begins her visit with the physician. Michael's doctor starts the telehealth consult, reviews the examination data provided by the Ochsner Anywhere Care Health Kit, and discusses her findings with Michael's mom. Having diagnosed an ear infection, the doctor submits Michael's prescription to the pharmacy for pickup. Michael is spared a visit to the ER, and his mother has peace of mind that he received the right diagnosis and treatment, all from the comfort of home. The Ochsner Anywhere Care Health Kit, powered by TytoCare. On-demand medical exams with your doctor, all from the comfort of home.